Today we have this X4 M40 in the shop. It is going to be getting a Dinan cold air intake here at SPEEDhaus and a catback exhaust. So this thing will sound totally different when we're done with it.
Or it won't.
Or it won't, who knows. And so...
Gate's gonna mess it up though, that's a fact. No downpipe, right?
I don't know, it might have a downpipe on it. Sounds pretty stock. So, yeah. We're gonna pull this thing in the shop and take a look at it.
And on today's episode of This versus That, XM4, what's this called?
XM4, you kind of, you know, I could see it.
A X4
M40.
M40.
Kind of a hard one though.
Sorry, X4 M40i
Yep.
versus a Snapper tractor. Hard launch.
So, looks like we have a Dinan catback and intake.
Yep.
So, guess we'll find out if it's worth it.
Yes. Is it truly the most overrated exhaust? Cap or what was it? Cap or not cap? How's that?
Cap or no cap? I kind of like
Cap or no cap? Cap or no cap? Where are we at?
I guess let's take it out of the box.
Huh. Looks like an exhaust. You see anything that says Dinan on it?
What?
Looks like they laser engraved off the Alibaba.
You think?
You think?
I
Yeah,
don't know.
that's what I'm thinking.
In this box, we should have the aftermarket valve.
Which I highly suggest you not putting on the car. I'm sure it's nice.
Do you have an option?
Probably
Can you not put it on the car?
I don't know. Okay, we have new valve. Let's see. Maybe this has a new valve.
Okay. No box in there? No?
Yeah.
So maybe we're alright. Maybe it uses the
Okay.
factory.
Let's see what's in here. See, we got a whole new valve. New servo motor.
Wow.
Maybe this one opens it up farther.
Well, that's easy. Easy enough.
Yeah, I hate wiring these up. You know what they say about big pipe?
We've got the exhaust laid out here.
I think this is right.
Not much to it.
No?
So you're also taking out the factory resonator.
Oh, yeah. Oh, and we're getting rid of those tips.
Yep.
I like those tips.
Me too. I think they fit it, but
Yeah.
it's okay.
Yeah. Alright, so here's the stock exhaust. Car has factory catalytic converter, which is pretty loud.
Yeah.
For a factory car. Factory exhaust, factory cat. So all we're going to change is the exhaust from the cat back. This one's pretty big, honestly. That's 3.5 probably, I think. So we're gonna delete the resonator. And we're gonna delete these two pipes and go to 1 instead of 2. And we're gonna delete this fat muffler. It sounds tingy, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
And then delete these tips.
Stock exhaust is off. Somehow the easiest.
Yeah, it just slid right off. Like this wasn't her first time.
So now that it's empty, we can put something else in it.
Yep, LS.
Do you approve?
I don't know, pipe is pipe.
Pipe is pipe. That's kind of what we were saying.
Look like muffler looks like it's welded different. Outside of that, it's just pipe.
Yep.
Thing for me on any of these companies is just fitment. I think they all pretty much sound the same, more or less. It just comes down to what fits the best.
So far, it's gone on
Really well.
okay.
Can I do this?
Muffler's up. We got the valve fitted and plugged in. Now we're just gonna tweak the fitment and tighten everything down. Then we'll start putting the new tips on. It's not a crazy difference.
Yeah,
But it's enough.
What?
It's a
That's an interesting one.
wow.
It's
That's
a rotary. We're doing a rotary swap on the B58.
World's first.
Is that not very strange?
It's crazy. You know what's gonna be even weirder? Getting a replacement filter.
Oh my gosh, yeah. That's odd. I was hoping we were gonna have a triangle boot.
No.
We got a circle.
Wow.
Would have been cooler if it was a triangle. You know what this is? Attachment for your vacuum cleaner.
Wow.
Yep. At least it's solid carbon all the way through. Pretty solid. Looks good.
Carbon the world.
This isn't even a full box. This is just the
The top.
top.
Yeah. So it's really a filter with a connecting pipe
Yep.
with some holes in the box.
I mean, it's cool looking.
I bet it sounds good.
You think?
I bet it does, yeah.
Or you think it's just functional?
No, I bet it's got some good sound to it. I hope.
Maybe. If we're lucky.
Now that the exhaust is installed, we can start on the Dinan cold air intake.
Yep. We went and bought this from O'Reilly's today.
What?
Air intake.
Oh yeah?
Yep. We slapped the big D on it.
Good to go.
Good to go. Dinan. You know what I've never understood on these is there's a bolt right here on all these cars. Strut power. It could be this long, okay? It could be. It'd be just fine. No, it's like this long. I've never understood it.
What does it go through on the bottom?
I don't know. Nothing. It's just large.
That's why they weigh so much. The freaking.
Oh, that one's not that bad.
Oh.
But normally it's like twice as long.
So it shouldn't be too bad to swap this out.
In case you were wondering, this is not a how-to. This is a how not to.
If you were hoping to know exactly how to do this from this video,
Oh.
it's not the one.
Somebody else.
This is a entertainment ish.
Yeah, this is like going to night trips. Only for entertainment. Oh, it's almost.
Oh.
It's like right on the money. Feels loose as a goose. There.
Oh.
It was like loose, like for like 5 turns there.
So that is it. We have the Dinan exhaust and cold air intake on this X4 M40i. This B58 sounds so much better. Dude, sounds so good.
Yeah.
Sounds better out here, I think, under some load.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's a big difference for
Really?
sure. Dinan might have done something.
Might have figured something out.
But yeah, that's it for the X4 M40i. If you guys need work on your BMWs or information from us here at the shop, our link and info will be in the description, and we'll see you guys in the next one.